Now we can see some of the set operations problems. To retrieve the social security number of all employees who work in the department number 5 or directly supervise an employee who works in the department number 5. Actually, this question contains two parts. Employee who works in the department number 5 and second part, employee who supervises in the department number 5. Employee may works in some other department, but employee can supervise in the department number 5. So if we get these two results, we can combine using union operation, then we will get the actual result. How to find the tuples who are working in how to find the employees who are working in the department number 5 is sigma department number equal to 5 of employee relation. From employee relation, we will get this result. How to find the social security number of employees who are working in the department number 5? Pi SSN. Pi SSN of sigma department number equal to 5 of employee. Then second part, how to find the supervisor's social security number. We can apply pi super SSN. So in the first part, we are retrieving the tuples of all employees who are working in the department number 5, sigma department number equal to 5 of employee. And that relation is assigned to a new relation named department 5 employees. This department number 5 employees, from this relation, we are just selecting the SSN row, SSN column, SSN attribute. That means social security number of all employees who are working in the department number 5. That is the result 1. Second result, from department 5 employees, we need to find the super SSN of their employees. So for that, we are applying pi super SSN of department 5 employees. This is the second result. By combining these two results, we will get the actual result. Hope it is clear. Second, the rest of the program, rest of the questions, we are using this college database. Find the name of the course which is offered by both CSE and EC department. Name of the course which is offered by offered department, in which relation? Course relation. Name of the course, in which relation? Course name is in course relation. So offer department is in course relation. Course name is also in course relation. So we can use course relation offered by both ESE and EC department. In this case also we have two parts. Name of the course offered by CSE department, name of the course offered by EC department. So this is the query. Pi course name sigma offered course is equal to ECE of course relation. Here also course relation. By combining, by intersecting these two relations, we will get the actual result. The second part, that is pi course name sigma offered course is equal to CSE of course. That will retrieve the course name which are offered by the department CSE. So, first part, that is pi course name offered department equal to ECE of course. That will retrieve the course name of the course name which are offered by EC department, electronics department, EC department. Next question, find the faculty ID of the faculty who does not teach courses in online mode. Mode of teach is present in subject code. Faculty ID is also present in subject code. So we can use the relation subject code. Name of the course which are not offered by name of the faculty ID of the faculty who does not teach courses in online mode. This contains two parts. We want to retrieve the faculty ID of all faculty ID of faculty who teach in online mode, and we need to find the faculty ID of all faculties. Then if we subtract these two results, we will get the actual result. From pi FID of subject code will retrieve the faculty ID of all employees. Then pi FID of sigma mode of teach is equal to online of subject code will retrieve the faculty ID of the employees who are teaching in online mode. So by subtracting, we will get the result. Thank you.